everyone, my name's Lizzie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I own an online vintage business called Burgundy France, and for this video I thought I would finally share with you Benjamin, the narrowboat. Share with you the story behind it, why I decided to move onto a narrowboat, and mainly in this video show you my moving in process, lots of time lapses of me putting things away, cleaning up, making it feel a bit more like home. So yeah, I thought I'd bring you along for the ride, and I hope you enjoy finally meeting Benjamin. So we're going to start off with a little tour of what it's looking like currently. Absolutely full of all my stuff. Somehow I need to fit all of this and pack it away into this little boat. As you can see, an absolute mess. And this is only part of it. There's still some more stuff that you'll see in a second. This is a bed, but actually it's a dining room, you'll see in the future. But the mess of the little bathroom, and as you can see, look how tiny that little shower is. It's so cute. And the bedroom, finally, with more stuff. So that's the first floor. So starting off with the kitchen, I'm just, putting everything away, finding new places for things, trying to organize it a little bit so that it's not just piles of stuff everywhere. Next up we have the cupboards. I'm just trying to organise them a little bit because this is the only cupboard space I have for everything that goes in the kitchen. Food, plates, cleaning stuff, everything really, all needs to fit in there. This is a cute little cup that my grandma gave me, and it's a set that comes with some cute saucers. There you go, showing you the saucer. Yeah, I'm gonna put some plants in them, and there you go, show them around. Next up, we're in the lounge and just trying to find space for my mannequin, for my lights, but also make it a lounge where you just are cozy rather than just having bits everywhere. Trying to make a little table. I started off with the wrong Allen key, so I tried to screw it in with my hands and it just didn't work, so I had to go and find the proper Allen key. There you go, this is me showing you how this is actually a dining table. That table was so heavy, as you can see me struggling to get it in. I only did the bedroom quite quickly today because I needed to sleep in it, obviously. So I just made the bed, but the suitcase still needs to be emptied, and as you can see I'm struggling to get everything on the bed and make everything fit. yeah, finally sorting out the bedroom. So actually this is the only little like hanging space I have, but it goes all the way to the end of the boat, so it's not bad. There was an awful lot of paint in that cupboard because we haven't emptied the boat out since we've been working on it, so we've just got paint and paint brushes and tools and anything you can think of that you need to sort out a boat. As you can see, my drawers were also absolutely full of sanding bits and screws and, you know, any kind of working bits. So just emptying all of that out, shoving it all in the engine room and forgetting about it because I don't need it and it's just in my way. Finally putting all the clothes. So the first one just has like my pajamas, my underwear, my socks, my undertops. Then I was just deciding what I was going to hang up and what I was going to put in the drawer. So I ended up putting just the jumpers that would lose their shape if I hung them up, and hung everything else up because actually there was quite a lot of space. I also hung up all my vintage. I didn't bring too much with me because I wasn't too sure how I was going to sort myself out, so I just brought a few bits and pieces. But now that I've figured out a little bit more how I'm going to set up my studio, as I call it, I think next week I'm going to bring a bit more vintage with me. We're tackling the bathroom and a few final bits in the living room. So actually I don't use the shower because, well, A, it's very small, and B, the water's a little dodgy on Benjamin at the moment. The pipes decided to burst on me yesterday morning, so I got a little sodden, and it turns out it's because the original owners decided to do quite a quick job with it and ended up using connectors that didn't actually screw in together, so they just glued them together, and that glue finally decided to give up. So we've glued them back together, but my dad's going to try and find the proper, I don't know what the word is, the proper connectors, so that there's not that issue anymore. And here we go, we're almost done. I'm just doing the dining area, trying to decide what to do with my big lights. In the end I shoved basically everything underneath the table and pretended that it wasn't there. That's what I call cleaning. If you can't see it, then it must be clean. so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little tour of Benjamin and a brief history about him. And next week I will probably film some more about Benjamin, maybe decorating it a little more, making it feel even more like home. I better be quick because it's starting to rain on the camera. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment down below on how to decorate, what you would add in here. Any kind of advice would be lovely, and I'll see you next week. Bye!